what you said, YouTube. Once again, it's your boy John Shaft, and we are again out here at the Magic City Octane Show here in Leeds, Alabama. And this is an event that takes place every second weekend of a new month. And again, its location is in Leeds, Alabama, and it's off of Grand River Boulevard. So if you guys are interested in coming out to this event, every new second Saturday in the new month, bring your cars, bring your favorite vehicle that you might have in your possession, and show it off at this grand event. We ask you that you support the channel simply by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you will know when we are doing a upload. So let's go ahead and walk around and take a look at this grand event, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we thank you in advance for watching.
Something else.
Oh, that's crazy.
Well, I have
How do we go from that?
Very exclusive club. There it is. We got a new barracks up there. Makes all the difference. Yeah, she's the old 3800 series too. You know, this ain't all the fuel. This is.
Oh man, I'll try this one.
I look so cute in this.
Audi. Oh, you could drive this bag. Okay. So I went and got the AMG after that. I was, man.
I'll have to check the store out. Maybe you could, I'll give you money. I'll give you money. I'll give you money. But maybe like I'd love to get it, but it's too big. But I bought one. They never have a switch. I must have got it for my way. Oh, now.
Damn, it's really nice. Yours? Yeah. When you buy it? We can have
That's all did people in there? Yeah.
If you ever wonder what a full carbon fiber Corvette looks like. This is it. And it's a Z06.
Let's go in front of my car. I sit down and watch a movie. I don't go far enough to your ass.
Even if you did, they would just pull up the phone.
Take your win.
Nah, it's like they do this big decisions without thinking about it. They're like, oh yeah.
I wonder who said you need. Somebody said you
Oh
need.
yeah.
Somebody said you need to have this. I mean, you all really are. You all very open. Right.
They're putting smaller and smaller in there. Yeah, they use cars. Just less and less material. Like, you know, at a point where you sacrifice a little bit.
What year is it?
How's it going, huh? Good to see you. Yeah, I missed it. I was too busy looking at that one. Oh, wow.
You see the other Ferrari? Oh, they did, man. They live.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Well, I sure hate that. Okay.